Okay guys, this is ano na, like
This is it, Panzit.
finale na. So, ang kailangan natin ngayon is like dapat sobrang mag-focus kayo kasi guys, as a champion ng season 1, kailangan natin mag back to back.
Yes! Feel ko super aligned kasi ayun, we have Coach Maki as our coach. Tapos itong sayaw na to, parang as a duo kaming chow 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 chow. I feel like this is us. Kasi pagkaturo sa amin ni Coach Maki, parang kuha na namin agad.
Then from here, meron tayong head and may kick lang tayo. Kick.
Ooh.
Okay, so from there, straight your knees, up pa. Like up. Yes, 5, 6, 7, go. We have down. And then may head lang tayo going back. Head. Tapos, ito lang tayo. Labas ulit yung butt. Tapos bend yung knees. Tapos step lang natin yung right leg, then left hand. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Recover. 4. Up.
In your whole journey as a dancer and just as yourself, ano yung nakikita mo dito sa Stars on the Floor na parang ending for you? Like, how do you see yourself and yung, ano ba tawag doon? Basta yun. Ano yung nakikita mo sa journey mo dito sa Stars on the Floor?
Honestly, manalo, matalo. Pero sana manalo.
Oo.
Please,
Manalo o manalo?
O manalo o manalo. Diyaw manalo. Ayun, manalo o manalo. I feel like it's giving legacy for me kasi, Mama, lumitaw ako sa TV. Parang, I feel like it's gonna be engraved right there na, okay, sumayaw sa'yo ako sa buong, in front of the whole Philippines kasi, you know, nag-air ang Stars on the Floor sa television. So, I feel like it's just a proud moment for me. And I feel like it's a really big part of my journey here in this industry.
Yes, so mga Dance Universe, panoorin niyo po ang Stars on the Floor. Live na live po yan sa May 31. Okay? Live yan. And sobrang pasabog ng mga performances naming lahat on that day.
Yes. And please vote. Chow, 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 chow. Deserve namin ng votes nyo. Please vote, chow, please.
Opo, 10 times kayo pwede mag-vote, so per person, 10 votes yun for Chow.
Yes.
Oh, bilangin niyo yun, kung ilan yun.
Kasi paano yan pag maganda yung piyesa namin tapos walang votes? Oh, sayang naman. Sayang
Oo.
naman.
Hindi niyo makikita yung dance-off namin na pasabog din. As always.